Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to deactivate your Snapchat account before 72 hours if you have recently deactivated your Snapchat account. And now if you want to, and you have reactivated and now you want to deactivate it again, and it is showing you cannot deactivate your account before 72 hours. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Snapchat here. And after opening the Snapchat here, you have to simply click on Bitmoji profile, and after that you have to click on settings. And after that you will find the option of delete account. So you have to simply click on that. And this kind of interface will be available, but you have to make sure that you have provided your username and password before this. And here you have to simply provide your password. And after providing your password, what you have to do, you have to simply click on continue. As you click on continue, you can simply see that security restriction, please try again from this device after 72 hours. So which means you cannot deactivate your account from this device. So if you want to deactivate your accounts, you can simply log in your account on another device, and after that you can simply deactivate your account from that device. But you have to make sure that you have log out your account from here, and after that you will be able to deactivate your account from another device. And you have to make sure that you deactivate your account before 30 days, and if you had been 30 days then your account will not be reactivated. So you have to make sure that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.